Plant FAQs. Aglaonema Red Emerald. Aglaonema Red Emerald, your guide to this stunning houseplant. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema Red Emerald, a captivating houseplant renowned for its beauty and easy care. This guide will answer all your burning questions about the red emerald, from its captivating features to its specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this article will equip you with the knowledge to keep your red emerald thriving. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aglaonema red emerald? The Aglaonema red emerald is a stunning variety of the Chinese evergreen, a popular houseplant known for its vibrant foliage. This specific cultivar boasts deep green leaves adorned with a mesmerizing camouflage pattern of golden amber speckles. The real showstopper, however, are the electric red veins that course through the leaves, adding a touch of fiery elegance. Native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, the red emerald thrives in warm, humid environments. It's a compact plant, maturing to a height of 7 to 10 inches, making it ideal for apartments or spaces with limited floor area. Why choose a red emerald over other Aglaonema varieties? The Aglaonema family offers a diverse range of houseplants, each with unique characteristics. While the choice ultimately depends on your preference, here's what makes the red emerald stand out. Striking color combination. The interplay of deep green, golden speckles, and vibrant red veins creates a truly captivating foliage display, unlike any other Aglaonema. Low maintenance. The red emerald is a dream come true for busy plant lovers. It requires minimal care, making it perfect for beginners or those who forget to water their plants occasionally. Air purifying properties. Like many houseplants, the red emerald helps remove common household toxins, contributing to a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. Adaptable to light conditions. This versatile plant thrives in low-light environments, making it ideal for rooms that don't receive direct sunlight. How to care for your Aglaonema red emerald. Providing the right care is essential for keeping your red emerald healthy and vibrant. Here's a breakdown of its key needs. Light. While it tolerates low light, brighter indirect light can enhance the vibrancy of its colors. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Reduce watering frequency during cooler months. Humidity. Mimicking its natural rainforest habitat, the red emerald appreciates moderate to high humidity levels. Regular misting or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity around the plant. Soil. A well-draining, aerated potting mix is essential. Opt for a mixture specifically formulated for houseplants or create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Is the red emerald toxic to pets? Yes, unfortunately, the red emerald, like most Aglaonema varieties, is toxic to pets if ingested. Keep the plant out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Can I propagate my red emerald? Absolutely. The red emerald can be easily propagated through stem cuttings or division. Research the specific techniques for successful propagation. Why are the leaves of my red emerald turning brown? There can be a few reasons for brown leaves. The most common culprit is overwatering. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering frequency accordingly. My red emerald leaves are losing their variegation. What's wrong? Low light can cause the vibrant colors of the red emerald to fade. Try moving the plant to a location with brighter indirect light. Where can I buy an Aglaonema red emerald? Many online plant retailers and local nurseries sell the red emerald. With its increasing popularity, finding this stunning houseplant shouldn't be difficult. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Aglaonema red emerald thrives for years to come, adding a touch of vibrant beauty to your home. Remember, consistent care and a watchful eye will keep your red emerald flourishing. Happy planting!